Menu settings include white, sushi, mixed, porridge, sweet, brown, and quick cooking. Triple heater, bottom, side and lid. Generate heat all around for even heating. Detachable and washable inner lid. East to store retractable cord. Interchangeable melody and beep signal. Up to 3 cups uncooked. There is nothing like hot fluffy rice that has just been cooked. When it's not too mushy or too firm and the natural sweetness of the rice comes through with each bite. Zojirushi rice cookers make it easy to enjoy eating perfectly steamed rice all the time, without the guesswork. When it's as simple as pushing a button, the hardest part is going to be the weight, while our cookers do all the work. All Zojirushi rice cookers are tested to function at an altitude of up to 5,000 feet above sea level. Top reviews from the United States. Makes great rice. Cleanup is not as simple as you'd think. Makes great rice, although I have not tried all of the modes. Cleanup after cooking rice is a bit of a pain. The cooking bowl is nonstick, so one would not put that in the dishwasher. Then there's the intermediate lid, which has fragile rubber gaskets, which I would not put in the dishwasher either. Instead, I rinse that under hot tap water. Then the top lid has a convoluted path that the exiting steam has to pass through. So I am thinking you need to rinse that path out as well. Even if you don't, it drips into the cooking bowl for hours after you think you are done.